Hey everyone, today we're gonna learn how to make calculator by using HTML and CSS. So first of all, let's go to CD desktop. In your terminal, mkdir my directory name calcs, and then cd calcs. Just open it in our Visual Studio Code. It's here. Make it index.html. You can write anything. You don't have to write index.html. Let's put the basic structure. Let's change the title name document to calculator. Save it. Open it in live server. Let's see, it's working perfectly. Style.css. Let's connect the style sheet into HTML. So link style.css. Okay. So let's work on the body right now. Let's take h1 tag and write calculator. Let's check it. Yep, it's working fine. Let's do it now. Let's take a class card and we're gonna take another div. Class name cal's head. Let's put it class. You can put any class name, doesn't matter. And take a input tag. Type body. Put a let's take a ID. The result. You can write any ID name. And let's set a max length like 12. Save it. So if you take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and then it doesn't work. So maximum length is 12, that's why it doesn't work. So let's take another div. The class name is body. Oh, it's a mistake. Else body. Let's take a div. Let's take an input type button. Let's set a value for that. Let's take a class button btn, set a value c. This is start with the calculator structure. Let's save it. To take some of this, I think for the parts. Command B, command B, command B. Let's change this value plus minus. and last one is divide. Like this we have to take this one 5, so command C, command B. So let's change the value. Give me 7. So if you look the left hand side, so we successfully made the structure of the calculator. Now we have to design it. So what are you gonna do first? Let's try it. Style.css in a word cell, vertical margin. Let's set the margin 0, the initial, and set the parent 0 initially. So if just look on this, when I save the document, it's moved to up. I have to work on h1 tag. What you inside the h1 tag, there's a calculator, so just design it. Text align. When you put it center, it's gonna move to the center right here. So for the inconvenience, yes. Let's change the font style. Doing the font style in the font. So let's make it Shan Sharif, and font weight is more border. Text decoration. Let's decorate the text. Let's make it capitalize. Also text capitalize. The first letter will be capital later. Then let's take the card. So all of this inside the card. So let's design the card first. We're gonna set a margin 0 and margin 0 and auto. It doesn't work, and then let's set a max width. 350 pixel, and text align center. Yes, work perfectly. Let's take a margin top. So it's gonna get a little space here. So on margin top like 10 pixel. Nope. Let's take a box shadow. Top 0, right 4 pixel, bottom 8 pixel, and left 0. Let's set a color. RGBA. Let's make it initial 0, 0, 0, and opacity is 0.2. See, there's a box right here. Let's make a transition. So transition like 0.3 second, and yes, now let's decorate the button. All of this, the button. Either I can use card as its parent, and then I can switch BTN. Before we do it, we should do the card head first, and we have to do, we took a, I think we took a ID there. Yep. So we have to decorate this one first. So ID, and when we try to access the ID, we have to do it like this. We should say the width like, I take 90 pixel, right, 70 pixel. No, so we need to take it 100 pixel, and take 340. And let's set a, it should be cal set, not card head. Here you go. Let's take a, like font size is 32 pixel. So when we write something here, it's coming. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's take a text spacing. Letter spacing. Let's set 2 pixel. So we can see some difference here. Let's take text align to right. So it's like calculator is coming from the right. Yep. And then we can set a padding. Up and down 0, right and left 5 pixel. Yes, perfectly working. You can set the font weight as bold. Yep, perfect. Now we can work on the button. All of this button we can work right now. Let's remove this. So you can take button and we set width of the button. I can set 90 pixel. Let's remove it a little bit, like 85. Let's height 70 pixel. Change it to 90. Let's see how does it work. Yep, 487 will be fine. Yeah. Then we set the font width bold. Font size 16 pixel. Let's set a background color. BGC. The background color is, let me take 1F2326. Plug and set the, so we're gonna, color is white. Let's make it white. Yep, that's good. So if you see that it's coming like this, so we just missed something here. Yeah, we just do make an adjustment over there. Let's make it so this part is inside the card div. So let's make the font size initially 0. Here you go. We're almost there, so we don't to do anything right now. So now I would like to change the color of this property. So let's do one more thing here. Let's do card hover. So when it's gonna hover, like the box color will be a little, let's make it a little big, like 16 and 32. When I cursor right here, you see that getting a little shadow on the side. However, let's, so if I want to take, so okay, so let's go here, make all the right. Okay, let's change the background color something different. So button, let's make it button style, STYL style. Save it. Let's copy this to all of the last character here. Save it. Let's style it right now. So BGC, let's set a background color whatever you want. Let's try it purple. It's fantastic. And I want to set the one so I can use the inline CSS right here. STY style. And outside of it, BGC. Let's set a background color orange. Here you go. So I'm almost done with my calculator. So let's do the hover of the button. So to button hover, not the button style, and do button. Yeah, button hover. So when I will move my cursor here, I want to see something like new background color. So just set a background color. Let's set it something. Let's see how it does work. Yep, it worked fantastic. Very good. Thank you so much for watching my video. Wonderful day.